When it comes to construction and concrete work, having the right equipment can make all the difference in efficiency, quality, and overall project success. For contractors and property owners in Danbury, choosing the right concrete pumping equipment is a key step in ensuring your project runs smoothly from start to finish. Whether you're working on a residential driveway, a commercial foundation, or a large-scale development, understanding your options helps you make smarter, more cost-effective decisions. One of the first things to consider is the type of concrete pump that best suits your project. The two most common options are boom pumps and line pumps. Boom pumps are equipped with a robotic arm that can extend and place concrete with precision, making them ideal for large or hard-to-reach areas. They are often used for multi-story buildings or projects that require high-volume pours. Line pumps, on the other hand, use flexible hoses to transport concrete and are better suited for smaller, more detailed jobs such as sidewalks, patios, or residential foundations. Another important factor is the size and scope of your project. Larger projects typically require more powerful equipment that can handle higher volumes of concrete quickly and efficiently. Choosing equipment that matches your project's scale helps avoid delays and ensures consistent results. For smaller projects, using oversized equipment can be unnecessary and increase costs, so it's important to find the right balance. Accessibility is also a key consideration, especially in areas where space may be limited. In Danbury, where properties can vary in layout, some job sites may have narrow access points or obstacles that make it difficult to position equipment. In these cases, line pumps or smaller boom pumps may be the better option. Evaluating your site conditions ahead of time ensures that the equipment you choose can operate efficiently without complications. The type of concrete mix being used can also influence your equipment choice. Some mixes are thicker or contain larger aggregates, which require pumps designed to handle these materials without clogging. Using the wrong equipment can lead to delays, maintenance issues, or inconsistent application. Working with experienced professionals can help you select a pump that is compatible with your specific concrete mix. Efficiency and speed are major benefits of using the right concrete pumping equipment. Properly selected equipment allows for faster placement, reducing labor time and minimizing the risk of errors. This is especially important for projects with tight deadlines or large pours that need to be completed quickly. Efficient equipment not only saves time but also helps maintain the quality and integrity of the finished product. Safety is another critical aspect to consider. Concrete pumping equipment must be operated correctly to prevent accidents and ensure a smooth workflow. Choosing modern, well-maintained equipment with proper safety features reduces risks on the job site. Additionally, working with trained operators ensures that the equipment is used properly, protecting both workers and the project. Cost is always a factor, but it's important to look beyond the initial price. While some equipment options may seem more affordable upfront, they may not be the most efficient or suitable for your project. Investing in the right equipment can save money in the long run by reducing labor costs, minimizing delays, and preventing potential issues. It's about finding a solution that offers both value and performance. Another consideration is the importance of professional support and expertise. Choosing the right equipment often involves more than just selecting a machine. It requires understanding the project's specific needs and challenges. Working with a knowledgeable team ensures you get the right recommendations and support throughout the process. Finally, reliability and durability should not be overlooked. High-quality equipment that is properly maintained will perform consistently and reduce the risk of unexpected breakdowns. This is especially important for larger projects where delays can be costly. In the end, choosing the right equipment for concrete pumping in Danbury is about aligning your project's needs with the right tools. From selecting the appropriate pump type to considering site conditions and efficiency, every decision plays a role in the success of your project. By taking the time to evaluate your options and work with experienced professionals, you can ensure a smooth, efficient, and successful concrete pouring process.